Heya, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be doing this Kathryn Bernardo inspired no makeup look. Since this look is a no makeup look, therefore it is focused on the skin. So we're kind of gonna spend a lot of time preparing our skin. For my skin, I misted my face with Bioscience Facial Mist. And then I applied my favorite toner, which is from Ionique. This is their Hyaluronic Vitamin Acid Toner. I really love this toner because it makes my skin instantly supple and bouncy. And after that, I moisturize my skin and I use actually a petroleum jelly because it actually really helps in soothing the red marks on the skin. And of course, I also applied it on my lips to prevent chappiness. And then of course, we gotta protect our skin from the evil rays of the sun. So I am using Bellows Sun Expert with SPF 40. Some people, mostly oily skin, say that they don't like this sunscreen because it can get a little bit tacky. But I love this for people who have dry skin because it makes for such a good makeup base. Before we head on to the base, if you have any makeup or beauty questions for me that you want to ask me privately, then go and hit me up on my Instagram account. It's at Makeup by Booya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, my boos and I launched this Facebook group called The Internet Buddies, where you can make new friends, share beauty tips, and even share your memes. So we'd love to have you in that group, so please do click the link in the description box below to join the group. Now for the foundation. I'm using Everbelena Advances BB Foundation Stick. This is in the shade Oriental. And I'm actually almost running out of it, and I need to restock. And to contour my face, I am using Caroline's Contour Stick. By the way, if you have any video requests for me, please do comment it down in the comment section below with the hashtag #requestbooya so that I'll be able to immediately see your video requests for me. And then for my blush, since Kath almost has a very subtle blush, I'm using the shade Maze from Pantone Beauty's Stain All Over. And to set my face, I'm using Bench Beauty's Powder Foundation in the shade Fair. I'm pinching my brush just so I can pack the powder well. I'm focusing on the areas where I oil up the most. And then for the rest of my face, I'm using Skin Potion's Glow Dust in the shade Sizzle. I love this finishing powder because it has a very natural and subtle glowing finish to it, which you would want especially for this kind of no makeup look. For my eyeshadow, again, I'm grabbing this same pot from Pantone Beauty in the shade Maze. For my brows, I'm using Blythe Cosmetics Brow Trio in the shade Meteor, and I'm specifically using the brow gel. Then, to line my eyes, I'm still using the brow product from Blythe Cosmetics, but this time, I'm going to be using the brow pencil. And I'm doing this to make the most out of the product, and at the same time, on Kathryn's eyes, it has a very light eyeliner shade. For my lashes, I'm grabbing a very natural looking pair of lashes. And then I'm applying my favorite mascara, which is L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. To tightline my eyes, I'm using EB Advances Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Black. And then to make my brows even bushier, I'm combing through my brows with my spoolie and lash glue. And for my lips, I'm using again Pantone Beauty's Stain All Over in the shade Maze, topped with Cloud Cosmetics Baby Blush to achieve a pinkier lips like the one in Kathryn's photo. I'm going through my eyes one last time to smoke out my lower lids with again Pantone Beauty's Stain All Over in the shade Maze. And to top off this look, I'm applying highlighter with EB Advances Fig Trio. I super duper love this highlighter because it gives this wet effect that you would want for looks like this. And that's it for this no makeup look inspired by Kathryn Bernardo. I hope you guys like it and I hope you learned something new today. And please check out the products that I featured in this video. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Again, if you have any makeup or beauty questions for me, then don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's at Makeup by Booya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of our Facebook group, just click the link down in the description box below. Again, no hate, just love.